Okay, we're looking at parametric equations now. Now, it says we need to find a Cartesian equation of the curve in the form y equals f of x from minus k to k. The key with turning these trigonometric ones into Cartesian, and that's y equals mx plus c, that's a Cartesian one, alright, is a y equals a function of x or what have you, okay, is to get the trigonometric bits equal to everything else. So here we go. So if I rearrange the x part, that's this part, okay, I'm going to get cos of 2t equals x over 2. Right, and if I rearrange the y part, I'm going to get sine of t equals y over 6. And so that's the crucial first bit. Alright, we're then going to also use the fact that cos 2t, we're going to use a double angle formulae, equals 1 minus 2 sine squared t. Alright, so I need quite a lot of room for this, so hence I'm going off there. Now, once we've got that, okay, what we can then do is say, well, hang on, look at this, I've got this here, and I know sine t is the same as this, and I know cos 2t is the same as this. So can I therefore write that x over 2 equals 1 minus 2 lots of y over 6 squared, because this is cos 2t, and this bit here, okay, is the bit on the right of my equation, and I know that sine t is this bit here. Okay, so now I've got x's and y's, I just need to rearrange and simplify so that I get, actually, do you want me to quickly run through it? So we get x over 2 equals 1 minus 2 lots of y squared over 36. So I've got x over 2 equals 1 minus y squared over 18. I'm going to have to go up here. Then I've got 9x equals 18 minus y squared. Okay, excellent. And so I can simplify all that, can't I, to y equals the square root of, what's that, 18 minus 9x. Okay, I've missed out a couple of steps there, but hopefully you followed me. Now, ultimately, okay, the x has got to be between, well, it can't be more than 2, because then I get a negative under the square root. And so we get minus 2 to 2 there, because you can't square root a negative, essentially. Alright? Now, that means that f of x, right, when I put 2 and minus 2 in, is actually between 0 and 6. So stick these these values of x into here, and what do I get? 0 to 6. So when I put when I put minus 2 in there, I get the square root of 36, which is 6. And when I put 2 in there, I get 0. So there we go. Alright, but the key when converting a trigonometric equation, parametric equation, to a Cartesian equation, is to get the trigonometric bits equal to everything else. Alright, and then you should be able to substitute.